you believe it? This knitting machine can recreate Hollywood classics. And today, I still use the IG-24 Intarsia knitting head to craft a portrait of Marilyn Monroe. With a black and white base and her iconic red lips, a mechanical artwork begins now. First, push 120 needles to the D position. Take the main yarn and cast on with the non-curling method. Knit a few rows. Then attach the needle comb and small flat hammer. Knit up to the 16th row. Then move the yarn ball from the holder under the machine bed. Place the IG-24 Intarsia knitting head on the left, then pull one row to move the needles to the C position. Take black and white yarn balls and place them under the machine bed. Place the yarn according to the diagram's markings. Place the main yarn from right to left on the needles marked in the diagram. Add 1 stitch of black contrast yarn to each needle. Lay the white yarn from right to left on the remaining needles. Move the needle to the yarn guide and knit 1 row. Follow the diagram to lay the white yarn from left to right. Cross the black yarn with the white, then lay it on the needle. When changing yarn, cross it with the previous color before placing it on the needle. Knit 1 row, following the diagram to lay the yarn. Form color blocks on the fabric. As shown in the diagram, the color blocks have now knitted the neck of the pattern. Use Intarsia knitting for the jaw portion. Following the diagram. Next, the lips will be knitted as per the diagram. Red yarn will be used for the lips. As shown in the diagram, use Intarsia knitting for the lip area. the red yarn to knit 1 row. Follow the diagram for intarsia knitting. The lips are now complete. Next, knit the nose and eyes as per the diagram. Arrange the yarn to match the color blocks. The small hair details on the right can be executed using the jacquard technique. Continue intarsia knitting until the eyes are done. Most of the pattern is done. Follow the diagram to knit the forehead. Using the 280 yarn for this part, do you know where you stir in the process? Now it's time for the final head section in the diagram. This is the easiest part of the diagram. Keep up the intarsia knitting for the color blocks. Finish the pattern. Knitted 10 rows with the main color, bend off and remove from the machine. Here starts the finished piece, perfectly recreating the image on the fabric. From a single red thread to Marilyn Monroe's iconic smile, this is the magic of knitting. Want the pattern? Join the community. Next up, Einstein's wild hair or Hepburn's elegance. Drop your ideas in the comments and I'll get right on it.